In this video, I'll be going over how to create a business card using Kittl. So first, this is the home page once you log into your Kittl account. So you have home, recent, shared products, projects, or shared projects. And then, I don't like that, okay. Okay, all right, here we go. In this video, I'll be going over how to create business cards using Kittl. So this is your homepage once you log into your Kittl account, home, recent, shared projects, and then you have projects, templates, tools, and more. So over here, click on new project, and then the Kittl editor is going to open up and you can select whichever you would like to do. So I'll go over some of the options that Kittl has to offer. So you can pick from popular. So you got standard, poster, t-shirt, Facebook post, and more. Social, these are like Instagram post, Facebook post. You have YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, Pinterest, and I'm not sure what these sites are, but you have multiple different options. You can also do like custom sizes that you would like. Change this from pixel to inch, or I believe that's maybe millimeter, I might have to look that up, DPI. And then you have orientation, full transparency. I'm not really sure what DPI is either. And then margin. There's so many different options that you have here with Kittl. And then marketing, logo, poster, brochure, web banner ad, business, business card. This is what I'm going to be trying to make during this video. And then you also have print on demand. So there are lots of different options that you have. So let's go to business and let's go to business card. And I'm just going to choose whichever settings that Kittl already has. And then you can also pick a template. So I think we're going to do that because I don't think I'm the most artistic person. So let's look at the popular templates first. See if there's anything. Let me search business card. See if anything I like pops up. So there are a lot of different options here. And if you do decide to use the templates, I do highly recommend like editing the template so it's not exactly what's already on here, which for a business card, you probably are going to do that anyways to change your business name. But I mean, with like any sort of template that you use, what color should we do? I feel like my theme is kind of like pinkish, pink or blue. So I'm going to type in pink. Okay, we're getting somewhere here. Let's see. I kind of really like this pink and blue one here. Not sure I love the font, but I could go ahead and change the font. You know, I don't actually have to have it pink because I can edit the color. So let me go back to business card. I wonder if I type in, let me do like content manager or content creator. Sorry, I'm doing this as I go. So sorry if that sounds weird, but I think content creator might be the way to go. Oh, I really like this one. Let's go with this one. So it's going to add the template for me. Thank you, Kittl, for doing that. Okay, let's exit out. Just see what we got to work with here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Zoom back in a little bit. There we go. Yep, I really like this. Oh, this is the back too. Okay, so for name, let's change to my name. Obviously, that's what my YouTube channel is called. This YouTube channel, CEO and founder. I mean, I do like that, but let's go with, let's just do like content creator. Do something really basic here. And then can add in phone number. I'm just going to leave that because I don't have a work phone number right now. I do have my own business email, so let's do TaylorHaseltonBusiness@gmail.com. And then I don't have an address, but I'm going to want to put something on that side probably. Or you know what, let's just delete that. Let's adjust. Well, you know what would be really cool? I'm going to remove what I just did. I'm going to delete the phone number. Going to make this email wider, so that way it fits like all in one line. And then on this side, instead of the address, I'm just going to do like YouTube Taylor Haselton. I mean, I can put like the actual YouTube link or something like that instead, but just to get an idea. And then I don't have like a business Instagram right now or anything, but if I did, like, this is where I'd probably want to put that. like the different account names you have, like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. If you have Snapchat, Pinterest, like any sort of other platforms, this is really cool. Elevate Marketing Co. So this is like their own logo. I don't really have a logo right now. I feel like I should work on creating a logo, but that's okay. So I'm going to change this to, honestly, I'm not really sure what I should have on the back here. Let's see. I think I'm just going to change this to my initials. I know that's like not my logo, but that kind of looks pretty cool. I'm going to delete the circle though. And I just want to make this content creator. I really, really love this. Obviously, this is very plain. I could do a lot more with this. But I really want to browse. Okay, let's browse color palettes. This is really easy to use too. So I'm sorry I haven't been walking through what exactly I'm doing, but you can click on the name here, like any name or the letters. So I click on my name, and then you can change the alignment, the opacity, the color, border, text style, change the size. I mean, there are so many things. Text shading, that is really cool. So let me change. I mean, I'm not going to, oh, I love that, but let me go so back. I want to make this really, really just plain for now, but you can do so much. And then on the left side here, you have lots of different options. So, 1 second. Right here, you have like the different templates we just did, text, and then you have different like elements that you can use in shapes, and you can upload images. You can change textures, backgrounds. There's also AI you can use as well. Kittl AI, image generator, sets generator, imagery style, and design generator. And there's just so many different options and tools that you have with Kittl. So let's go back to color palette, because that is originally what I was trying to do, because I feel like I usually do more of pink and blue. Oh my gosh. I think that might be the one. That first one. That looks really good. Let's just go through the options. You can obviously change the colors yourselves. You don't have to use these pre-made palettes. You can also take off, like auto adjust brightness if you want to. That definitely changes things. So if I unclick that, see the difference? Wow, it's much darker, but then yeah, that definitely flows a lot better having that on. And you can just go through all of these if you would like. Scroll all the way down. There's so many different options here. Oh, I don't mind this one either. So I'm kind of between, oh, lovely, okay. There's so many different purple retro sunset, or lilac, what's that called? Lilac wine, I think. Hold on, let me scroll back up. Retro summer, that one looks pretty good too. I'm not sure which one to go with. Let's go back down, see some blue options, pink ones. Guess it depends if I'd like to go all pink or if I'd like to have some blue. I kind of really like the retro sunset one. So many different options. It's going to take me a while to figure out what color to go with. Let's go with this retro summer, I think, is the one that we probably want to pick. I really love that. And then, of course, like, for example, like, let's say you want to choose a different color. You can just do that up here. You can click on it and change. So if I want, like, this color, if I want that color, like, I can completely change what color I have if I would like to. So I could go there, and then I can click like the back button or the forward button. I actually really like the more pink color, so I think I might leave it like that. If I wanted to make this a blue, I can just click here, go to blue. Not really sure. I'm loving the blue vibe with this pink, but you can really change this however you would like to. There's so many different options that you have with Kittl. You can add your own logo to this if you'd like, add more images, add more information. You can put like what your actual like products or services are. There's so many different things that you can do. You can make a business card in many different ways if you'd like to with Kittl. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I do want to thank Kittl for sponsoring this video. And thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I really hope that you have a great day.